Wow, Hiro, you smell that?
Yeah.
Check that out, the wood. Oh my goodness. Real pit house there with that wood just burning. And we're here at Martin's barbecue joint, one of the finest barbecue establishments in the city of Nashville. We're gonna go meet the owners, do a little filming here. All right, Hiro-san, you ready?
Okay.
Let's go.
Yep.
Better sandwich in this, Hiro. Close your eyes. Think about this flavor. Oh, it's so good. How's that? You're making the noise again, Hiro. I haven't.
So good.
I think he met his match. When he makes that noise,
Yeah, always very, very good.
Yeah, it's like no words to describe. Wow, you're one lucky man. We're here in the center of Nashville. Phenomenal barbecue place called Martin's, and we're here with the owner, Pat. Thank you so much for having. How are you?
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, no, thank you so much for having us. Saw your establishment. Place is beautiful. Went to look at your pit house back there, and let me tell you, the wood is just smells so enticing.
Yeah,
And,
thank you.
Tried your food. Let me tell you what, this is real barbecue.
Thanks.
Yeah,
We
unbelievable. So tell us, what got you into barbecue? How'd you start?
My dad grilled a lot when I was little. He didn't cook barbecue; he just grilled, and I kind of messed around with him in the grill. And then I went to college in West Tennessee, in a small town in between Nashville and Memphis. And the first week I was there as a freshman when I was 18, I was born in Memphis, so barbecue is kind of in my blood, and I went to search out to eat some barbecue, and unbeknownst to me, West Tennessee has a culture of whole hog, which is actually different than Memphis style barbecue. Just what they, it's what the moniker is, that they cook whole hog. And anyway, I became fast friends with this older man named Harold Thomas. He had a barbecue joint called Thomas and Webb. And I spent 4 years hanging around Mr. Harold, and he taught me everything. He was an open book. He didn't have any secrets, and I believe that now in sharing everything. Recipes, it doesn't matter. Anyway, he taught me everything he knew, and barbecue really got in my blood then, and I knew I always wanted to open up a barbecue joint eventually. And 14 years ago in 2006, I did that. Little small place, 12 tables, and small kitchen, and just went about doing it, and now we've grown throughout Nashville, and we've been really blessed. So that's the backstory to it.
Nice, very, very nice. I know you're in more than one city, also in state as well, no?
I am. I've got 6 in Nashville, and 2 up in Louisville, Kentucky, which is north of here. 1 out in Charleston, South Carolina, and 1 down in Birmingham, Alabama.
Okay. So tell us about the different kinds of barbecue. So when someone comes up to your place in South Carolina, maybe in Kentucky, they're probably blown away by the flavors. And I know the way you cook as well, it's more of a slow heat than like North Carolina.
Yeah, everybody cooks barbecue slow. It's just some folks cook really, it's not really slow, it's really more low. Some folks like myself cook on the real low end of the spectrum of low, 195 to 200 degrees, 210. And some folks cook barbecue up higher to 250, even 270, sometimes 300. But barbecue is like, I say it a lot, it's like the cheese is to France. Like you drive 50 miles and it changes, and that's the way kind of barbecue is in America, but specifically the American South. There is no best. It's just very regionalized, and I think the different styles should be appreciated for their region. So if you go to Texas, they raise a lot of cattle, so the barbecue they cook there is beef. So most everything west of the Mississippi starts becoming predominantly beef pretty quickly as you go further west. And then things further east or east of the Mississippi River have predominantly always been pork. However, like every other place in the globe, there's most of these cities in America are becoming very not transient in themselves, but we're getting a lot of transient people that move to different cities that aren't from there. And so I have brisket on the menu here because there's a lot of Texans that live in Nashville, a lot of it because of the music industry.
Yeah.
So, but 20 years ago, you would never have found brisket anywhere in any barbecue joint, usually in east of the Mississippi River. So, yeah, they've started to kind of come married in a little bit, the different styles, but they do change. Competition barbecue is another aspect of it that's way much more of a sweeter, thicker sauce, very sauce driven. I love eating it, but I can't eat much of it because it's too much sugar.
Yeah.
But I believe in balance, and there's a reason why most, like barbecue joints usually have an acidic based sauce. Usually it's a vinegar based sauce, obviously, and it's to balance out that fat from the meat. That acidity breaks that and balances that out. So it's better on your palate. So either way you go, there's different styles, but they're like kind of all taking different roads to get to the same house, if that makes sense. They're all beautiful. The different styles of barbecue. It makes barbecue.
Right. Well, tell me what I tasted was truly phenomenal.
Thanks.
And thank you so much for sharing your beautiful establishment with us. Hiro-san, can we do this man justice? Make something delicious.
Yes. First step, I'm gonna blend the wasabi.
Okay.
Start off. Okay. The next step, I'm gonna do take off a little bit oil out.
Oh, I wish you guys could have tried a piece of this. I had some fresh from the kitchen. They just came out. Look at this. Just look at this. Look how moist this meat is. Unbelievable.
So good, right?
The taste, the tenderness, the natural juices, the fat. I'm a firm believer of Nashville barbecue now. I think Martin's ruined me, Hiro. Can't have barbecue anymore anywhere else.
Right. Okay. It's very, very soft.
So soft, right?
Very soft. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna keep this in.
As I'm filming this, look what's back there at the pit house. Smells so good.
It's very.
And the ribs also phenomenal. I had as soon as well. It was so good. Just look how tender that is. So easy to cut, huh, Hiro?
Yes. Good.
Good meat.
Okay, then I take some meat from here. Actually, you know what? This one, so easy to take off. Look.
You don't even need your knife.
Right?
Use a butter knife.
Okay, this is good.
Now, what are you going to call this, Hiro?
Martin's roll.
The Martin's roll?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
That'd be okay?
Yeah.
Is your last name Martin?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the man. This is the man behind all this unbelievable barbecue. Make sure you pass by and visit Martin's Barbecue. More than one state.
There's sesame seeds on it. And flip. This. This. And so this is the short olive. This. And the broccolis.
Broccoli salad is one of our really top selling sides as well. And it's really, really unique tasting.
Bacons.
Yeah, I've got broccoli salad going on there.
Got to keep it healthy.
Yeah.
Some greens, right? Oh, nice, Hiro. Nice little kick in the end. Never thought putting real wasabi and some genuine natural barbecue together.
A little bit of Japanese flavor mix. My hometown Kochi and Tennessee.
Kochi
Nashville.
in Tennessee.
Kind of collaboration.
All That was great. Wow, what a roll. Good size, too.
Yeah, it's more than bigger than this one. You cannot bite it, right? One bite size.
Most of these things are bigger in Texas. I don't agree at all. Yeah.
You can go for not too big. Okay, perfect, beautiful. And
Oh, you're gonna top it off with this? Wow, look at
of
that.
course, this is the most tasty part too. You know, the skin, very important. This shape.
There's gonna be one for the books. Let's look inside there real quick.
Oh,
We can make it a cross section. Look at that meat in there.
this way.
Oh man.
Need some checks. We need some of the sauce.
Yeah. Look at that. Just look at that meat. That is phenomenal. You know, almost like a Peking duck roll that you made. Remember the Peking duck skin?
Oh yeah,
Crispy?
we used to have it.
The same thing here. Let me tell you what, you don't have to be a sushi fan to love what you see here.
Nothing like some gold leaf going on.
We just
Barbecue sushi roll.
we just added another $20 to your roll.
That's ride and roll right there.
Yes.
Make it rain, Hiro. Okay, well, take a look at this. Pat, I hope Hiro did you justice.
Oh,
And made you a proud
definitely,
entrepreneur.
He definitely did justice.
Take a look at
Let's
this
eat.
again.
Are we going to eat this thing?
Oh yeah, we're gonna eat this. Take a look at this. Got this beautiful, delicious, moist and juicy beef brisket inside, and you got the ribs on the outside, on top of the gold flakes, and delicious barbecue sauce. Well, thank you so much. We can't wait to.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for sharing your establishment with us. We can't wait for people to try and give us their feeling. All right, here we go. Tasting part.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you, Hiro-san.
はい、ありがとう。Thank you. Real wasabi, no? You can feel wasabi, right?
How's your barbecue taste with the real wasabi?
It actually is really, really good.
Right? Gives a whole nother
New menu,
profile.
real wasabi.
We don't have the skill set to do this, man. You have to move here.
Well, I'm gonna try a piece. Take a look at this, guys.
Barbecue sauce with the new creation.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Wasabi mayonnaise or something, you know?
Mm.
So new
Wow.
item. Very different.
So good.
Instantly, you taste that rib sauce.
Different, but
Yeah, but then you got the kick of the wasabi, the real wasabi.
you stay true to our culture by doing it. So it's different, but it's barbecue.
Like we do, you know, like a Kobe beef, we just grill off, and then we do it with wasabi soy
Yeah,
or something
yeah,
like
man.
that too. So
That's-
That
kind
was
of
really
the
good.
meat with the wasabi combination is not bad.
I'm gonna have another piece, and then you taste a little of the broccoli too.
Sure. Can turn
Please.
it out. Yeah, that wasabi is like a nice.
So good, Pat. Thank you again. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That was awesome, man. Fun. This is fun.